In today's fast-paced world, time management has become more critical than ever. How we utilize our time often determines our success, productivity, and overall well-being. Time management is a process of deliberately planning and controlling time spent on specific tasks. This will increase efficiency. This will help us and allow us to make our time and use our time more properly, giving yourself small rewards after accomplishing certain activities. Time is a limited resource, yet it is one that we often take for granted. We find ourselves overwhelmed with tasks, commitments, and deadlines, leaving us feeling stressed and unfulfilled. But it doesn't have to be this way. Effective time management is about prioritization, staying focused, and making the most out of every moment. And by identifying what truly matters to us, this will help us to allocate our time accordingly. One of the key principles of time management is prioritization. By knowing and identifying what is our most important tasks and tackling them first, we can ensure that we make progress towards our goal each day. And to do this, we have to learn to say no to distractions and low priority activities. Another essential aspect of time management is organization. Keeping track of our tasks, commitments, and deadlines allows us to stay on the top of our workload and avoid last-minute rushes. Effective time management can help us to spend more time in our daily life. People who can spend their time and manage their time more effectively, this will help them to have more time spent with their families, their friends, or on their hobbies. Moreover, time management is not just being productive. It's about making time for the things that brings us joy. Whether it's being with your family, there are different steps for time management. Number 1, set clear goals. Have a clear understanding of what you want to achieve first. This will help you to prioritize and allocate your time more accordingly. Number 2, break your tasks into manageable chunks. Doing a lot of work at the same time, a lot of files, a lot of tasks, this will make you feel overwhelming and you'll get tired more easily. It's better to break your tasks, your goals into smaller pieces and do one at a time. This will help you to maintain focus and momentum while making a progress. Number 3, eliminate time wasters. Activities that consumes your time without adding a value to it, which includes an excessive use of social media, playing around, or unnecessary meeting. This will decrease productivity and increase stress. Time must be scheduled because each second means a lot. Each second creates a minute. Each minute creates an hour. Each hour creates a day, which continues, creates a week, a month, and then an year. We must prioritize our tasks because not all tasks are important. We should categorize our tasks according to their urgency and importance, and we should complete those tasks as soon as possible. Number 4, learn to say no to distractions. It's essential to set boundaries and to say no to tasks and commitments that do not align for us to our goals and commitments. Saying no frees up space and time for activities that are more meaningful and impactful. Number 5, regular breaks. Design your day, schedule your day with short breaks that have some relax. This will help you to recharge. This will increase your focus, your momentum, and you'll be able to connect with your work more easily. At the end of the day, when you're done with everything, it's important to analyze your day and see what's working and what's not. Things that are working for you, those are very good for you, those are helpful for you. You should keep them in your life. And things, those are distracting, not allowing you to do your work properly, kick them out of your lives. In conclusion, time management can empower us to take control of our lives. By prioritization, staying focused, staying organized, finding a balance, this will help us to achieve our goals and tasks more effectively and accordingly. Thank you.